I'm Harshal Yenagi, and I'm the managing director and founder of Sarvodaya Fusion. Sarvodaya Fusion is a social enterprise, and we are 7 years old, and we are part of Sarvodaya, the largest non-governmental organization in Sri Lanka. And we are a social enterprise from the beginning of it, and we are kind of redefined in terms of Sarvodaya values into the modern era, combining its value systems of the culture, socio-cultural and spiritual part of it, and the thirst to serve the rural communities and the underserved communities. But why it is modern and different is like we are connecting it with ICT and the new trends like social innovation and social enterprising. And these trends are combined into the point like in our DNA is a collaboration. So through the collaboration with multiple partners, the corporates, the governments, and the third sector, the civil society, as well as the academia. So we work with all these, and then we try to serve the underserved using ICT as a conduit. So our model, of course, very much involves social innovation and social enterprising. So in our journey so far in 7 years, one of the missing pieces we had was the understanding of that subject area among the communities we are working in Sri Lanka. This includes multiple stakeholders at national level as well as the regional levels. So we got these futures as a kind of a very interesting opportunity platform where we found British Council from somewhere, actually comes from nowhere. It comes and it provides something we were really seeking to see. And I'm based in UK, and I'm coming to Sri Lanka very often, and also I travel around the country, around the world actually. So when I travel, I know in UK the social enterprising is a very mainstream area now, and the government is mainstreaming that, and all the activists are working on that. Even the corporate sector is taking it quite seriously. So much to learn from that culture. So the British Council brings in that rich material of knowledge and the expertise and the best practices, and introduced to these local the communities and the stakeholders in Sri Lanka. That is very much enriching for us, people like Fusion. So it makes our lives easier. Our effort to partner with the corporates, partner with the civil society and the government, etc. It makes language easier. People understand, oh, there is a thing called social enterprising now. It's not just one bottom line of economics. It's a double bottom line, the social bottom line and the economic bottom line. And also there is a third one, the environmental bottom line. So that combining all these three things, coming with the social enterprising, and it requires a social innovation, which is again the area that we had been working in, and this futures of course brings in that platform of diverse people, and who can understand this subject, who can contribute from diverse aspects of it, from the government, from the academia, from the civil society. So we are very much grateful for British Council for making it happen, and we are very we contributed very much, and also we learned so much. So we are thankful, and we are very much there to continue this journey. So our latest program, we call it Empowering Grassroots Millennials, very much focused to connect with futures. So that's it. Thank you very much, British Council.